Details in Dixon's window cleaning is not just for homes. We also provide professional interior and exterior window cleaning for commercial properties across the Twin Cities, including municipalities, property managers, office buildings, associations, and small businesses. Clean windows make a real difference in how your property looks and feels. They help create a brighter, more welcoming space for customers, tenants, employees, and visitors, while giving the outside of your building a cleaner, better maintained appearance. Our commercial window cleaning service can include exterior glass, interior glass, glass doors, skylights, and deck or railing glass. Whether it is a storefront, shared community space, office entry, municipal building, or managed property, our team works to deliver a clean, polished result with a process that is safe, organized, and efficient. To support that work, Details and Dixon's invested in commercial-grade window cleaning equipment, including advanced water-fed pole technology. This system allows our team to clean many exterior windows from the ground using purified water, controlled flow, and extended reach equipment. For customers, that means safer access, fewer disruptions, and a more efficient cleaning process for windows that may otherwise be difficult to reach. Our specialty-trained exterior teams follow clear safety standards, use commercial-grade tools, and work around your property with care. From one-time cleanings to scheduled recurring maintenance, Details and Dixon's helps commercial properties keep their windows looking clear, clean, and ready for the people who use those spaces every day. Details and Dixon's, one call cleans it all, guaranteed.